Hello there, my tulips. Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Bliss in the house. How y'all doing today, boo? So today's video is a super short review of a product I have been trying out for the last 3 weeks. For the last 3 weeks, and I am so pleased with the results that I have seen since I have been utilizing this particular product. Today's video is about a very affordable waist trainer. Yes. Now, I know a lot of you guys are like, boo, girl, what you need that for? Listen, your girl needs it. Because y'all just don't know how under the weather I have been. I have been just overwhelmed, depressed, and stressed, and had put on a lot of weight. This is one of the reasons why I have not been doing videos, because I really just felt like I looked horrible. I felt like I was ugly, and that's just the truth of the matter. But I am regaining my confidence, and this has been a big part with assisting me with that. Now, FYI, the lighting is kind of up and down. It's been raining here on the East Coast, so the clouds are in and out, which means we get this weird lighting that we got going on here. Anyway, the waist trainer that has been very beneficial in my life is none other than the Shaper X waist trainer. Yes, and I'm going to put a little picture right here for you guys to see what that looks like. Y'all, I love it. So right now I am wearing my waist trainer, and y'all, like, I love it. It feels amazing on me. Like, I really like it. And here's the back. Yes. Like, it feels really, really, really good. And I just want to give you guys a close-up. Shaper X waist trainer. Yes, y'all, so let's get into the benefits of the Shaper X, why I love it so much, and why this is something that you should purchase. So number one, it is affordable to me in my mind. Now, it's not the cheapest and it's not the highest, because I have seen some waist trainers that can be as high as $100 and something bucks, and some as low as $13. Yes. And then you have those that are kind of in between, and mine is definitely in the in between price range. So for this particular Shaper X waist trainer, I paid, so for my waist trainer I paid $19. Let's be exact, $19.99 for my waist trainer. Okay, and let me show you guys that I literally have my phone up. $19.99 is what I paid for this waist trainer, and I got this off Amazon. Okay, so it is purchased from Amazon. A little bit about the Shaper X waist trainer itself. You guys, it is waterproof, sweat proof, whatever you want to call it. It's liquid proof. So that is awesome for me, because I go hard in my Shaper X. Now, I decided to choose this particular waist trainer is for running. I love being outdoors, so I do a lot of fast, brisk walking, and I do a lot of running. So this particular waist trainer is excellent for running. Also, it's great for the sauna, because I also work out in the gym. So after I do a really great rigorous workout, I definitely like to relax in the sauna. So this is definitely perfect for the sauna experience. So the Sun Heat Action slims and trims your appearance instantly. It's adjustable Velcro closure, hand washable, burns 150 calories in 40 minutes with exercise, allows ab muscles to be more visible, supports lower back weightlifting. So I really love those things about this particular waist trainer. Also, y'all, this thing is very flexible. When you put it on, you can still bend and move with it on. I know that there are some waist trainers out there that keep you really stiff, but I love this one. It's very logical. You can move around with this on and feel comfortable. Now, if you're not a gym girl where you like to lift weights and all of that jazz, this is also a great waist trainer for yoga. You're going to use this for yoga. A little bit you should know. It reduces and shrinks waist size, helps define curves, correct posture, flattens your abdomen, accelerates metabolism, supports lower back, protects and prevents injury. Great for workout, gym, yoga, fitness. Okay, so I think that's just absolutely amazing. This is the 2019 release of the waist trainer. It's a waist eraser corset belt constructed with flex boning technology to work like a corset or waist trainer. It slims down your waist instantly with a comfortable soft touch. You can wear it either an outfit or under your shirt. Either way will give you a slim hourglass figure. So let's talk about the cleaning of this particular product. It's extremely easy to clean. So if you decide that you want to purchase this particular waist trainer, what you'll have to do when you receive it in the mail, you want to wipe it down real good with a damp cloth and then let it sit about 24 hours to dry before you wear the waist trainer. You're also supposed to follow these same steps each time you wear the waist trainer to work out, okay? So what size am I wearing and what sizes are available? So I have a size small. I'm sure I could have started with a medium, but your girl on a mission. So I got a size small. This is a 9-inch 36 length. And it fits me jam up. It fits me perfectly. I got a lot of moving room in this. But there's also a medium 9.5 inch and 39-inch length, large 10-inch width, 42-inch length, and then you have the extra large slash 2 extra large, which is 11-inch and 46 in length. Okay, it does come in a variety of colors if you do not want black. I just absolutely love black, but they have black and blue, purple and black. I'm sorry, they have black and blue, black and purple, black and red, black and rose. Then they have actual rose, which is very cute. Now when you start getting into the colors, then the price range will definitely fluctuate. Okay, again, I will have more information where you can go and check this Shaper X out on Amazon down in the description box below. Shaper X does have a variety of different waist trainers to choose from, so choose whichever one you like the best. Is this something I will repurchase again? Absolutely. Absolutely love this waist trainer. I have seen some really great benefits of using this particular waist trainer for me. I will have some pictures. I don't know if I'm going to do it in this video, but I may have it in another video with a follow-up regarding my use of this waist trainer, so that you guys can see the results, because visible results within 3 weeks for me. Now you may see results a little sooner or you may see results a little later. But I love this waist trainer. It feels good. I did not see a timestamp in the description on Amazon about this product in regards to how long you could wear this. But I typically wear my Shaper X, again, strictly for exercise. And the most I have worn it was for 2 hours. But a minimum of 1 hour, okay? So if your workout goes beyond 1 to 2 hours, then you might want to take it off. Or you might want to do further research as to how long you can wear this Shaper X. But yeah, I don't surpass 2 hours. Now it said that you can wear it to work, so most people work about 8 hours a day, so you may can wear it up to 8 hours, but I do not choose to do so because I want some longevity in my Shaper X. So you guys, I hope this video was extremely helpful for you. I do not have a coupon code. This is not a paid video. This is just something that I'm sharing with you that has been very beneficial in my life. Again, I'll have information in regards to where you can purchase this Shaper X on Amazon to just make it easier for you so you won't have to search for it on Amazon. Hope this video was helpful. I'll see you too in the next one. Smooches.